Maggie here, and this video is for you if you're a passionate singer that wants to improve their singing voice. Maybe you even have the secret desire to sing in front of someone else one day, whether that's singing the solo in your local choir, maybe it's performing on an actual stage or at a karaoke night with friends, whatever it may be. You want to become a better singer. And maybe you've tried to get better by doing different things, but you're still finding yourself not being able to sing on pitch, or maybe your voice feels tight when singing. Maybe when you're singing the high notes, you're feeling strained or a cracking in your voice. Maybe you're feeling vocal fatigue. Maybe you even experience hoarseness, which all of that might leave you disappointed. And maybe you've tried going from YouTube tutorial to YouTube tutorial. Maybe you've tried singing a song over and over and over again, hoping it will magically fix itself one day. Maybe you've even had a few lessons with a vocal teacher, but nothing really seemed to click. I mean, there's a reason why that you're here. Maybe you're even feeling overwhelmed with all the different advices that you hear out there. Maybe you're trying to listen to what is the technique that Adele does and how can I replicate that. Maybe you've even trained in different vocal methodologies like CVT or still voice training, but maybe it felt like it just didn't quite fit for your voice. So let's start here, because many singers, they think they need to have some kind of natural talent to become a great singer. And the truth is, your voice and the muscles around your voice are trainable. Just like you can learn the skill of swimming or drawing, you can learn the skill of singing. The problem isn't you or your voice. The problem is the approach to learning how to sing. And that is exactly why we've created our vocal technique backpack method. So compare it to climbing a mountain. Imagine that you're gonna climb a mountain. You've never learned how to climb a mountain, by the way, so that's something you can learn. And you're not just going to bring shoes to climb that mountain, right? You might need a rope to get over some kind of cliff at some point. Maybe you will need walking sticks to hold your balance. Maybe you will need an extra jacket when it's cold. So you got all of those tools in your backpack when climbing that mountain. And then when you hit a certain challenge, like cold weather or a cliff, then you pull out the right tool for that challenge to climb your mountain. You're with me on the metaphor, right? The same thing applies to your singing. We want for you to fill up your vocal technique backpack so that you have all those tools available to you, that when you're singing a song and you notice a challenging part in the song, that you have the right tool to help you overcome that challenge. So the breakthrough really happens is learning to grab the right tool at the right moment, instead of forcing one specific vocal technique or strategy over and over and over and over again. And that's why natural talent is just a myth. And it's really what most people tend to feel as the thing that keeps them stuck. It's not about being born with something that you might not have, being born with that natural talent. It's really about training your voice in the right way, having the right vocal techniques in your backpack, and pulling them out at the right time. That's what it's all about. If you're not filling up that vocal technique backpack and you just keep on hopping from exercise to exercise, hoping one day you'll find the magical exercise, then you're not really training your voice how it's supposed to. Maybe you're over practicing. Maybe you're over training a specific part of your voice or under training a specific part of your voice, which could lead to tension, hoarseness, and maybe even vocal injury. We don't want to have that. We want to know exactly what to focus on and when. Now, for me, that was very confusing because when I was doing my studies, I had a coach and he said, keep the larynx high. And then I had another coach and he said, keep the larynx low. And I was like, what should I be doing? Very confusing. And maybe you've experienced that as well. Here online, you can find so many coaches giving all kinds of advice. And sometimes that advice contradict each other. Why? Because they're all maybe schooled in different methodologies. Maybe you've heard of universal voice. Maybe you've heard of a still voice training, complete vocal technique, CVT. There are so many methods out there, and sometimes they do contradict each other. And that's the confusion that I also had when I was learning all of this. So what changed for me was understanding, oh, okay, high larynx is a technique I can put into my backpack. Low larynx is a technique that I can put into my backpack. Now I'm singing this song, I'm having this challenge, what technique can help me? And that's really the magic of the vocal technique backpack method. So the next question that oftentimes comes up, now that you know that it's not about talent, it's about training your voice in the right way. And some people might even think, well, I cannot do that because I'm tone deaf. Well, let's do a little test together. Being tone deaf means that you cannot hear the difference between two pitches. This one, for example, and this one. If you cannot hear that this pitch is different from this one, then you're tone deaf. But if you can hear that they're different, then congratulations, you can learn how to sing. You're not supposed to tell me whether one is higher than the other or lower. If you can notice that they're different, that means you're not tone deaf, which means you can learn how to sing. And then the next question is, Maggie, tell me how. How can I learn to sing any song that I love without guessing what vocal technique to use in my vocal technique backpack? Because hopefully now you understand the power of building up that backpack. So when I work with singers, that's exactly what I teach them. And I teach them our core methodology, the vocal technique backpack method. It's a step-by-step system that has helped over thousands of singers to go from second guessing themselves with every note that they're singing to really mastering a song that they never thought was possible. It's a method that will help you sing any song that you love because your voice doesn't need to fit the song. You make the song fit your voice. It's a method that will help you understand how to fill up that backpack and how to use that backpack. It's a method that will help you sing a song in your own unique and authentic way. And it's a method that will help you get off the good day, bad day roller coaster where your voice might sound great on one day and then terrible the next. So normally I only teach this vocal technique backpack method in our paid programs and our Singing Insiders community. But because I've seen firsthand how this method has helped singers make massive progress in their singing journey, I want to give you access to that method as well. So I recorded a full training on this vocal technique backpack method for our Singing Insider members. And if you give me your email address, I'll send it to you as well. So grab the link in the description here down below to grab that training. Now, here's a little catch. Because normally this training is for our paying Singing Insider members, I want to make this fair for everyone. So yes, I'm going to give it to you for free, but I do want to honor our existing Singing Insider members. So that's why you're only going to access that training for a limited amount of times. You got 4 days to watch it. You got 4 days because I do want to honor our current Singing Insider members. I don't want to give everything away for free. And also, I think that deadline will motivate you to make time and space in your busy lives and schedule to actually watch that video. So you can find the link in the description here down below. The only thing I need is your email address so that I know where to send the training to. I'm looking forward to see you there. And yeah, I cannot wait to share everything I have to share on that vocal technique backpack method. I'll see you there. Bye.